With TikTok, you can make $1,000 per million views. Right now, making money online is very easy actually compared to before. All you need to do is just a post video on TikTok and you will get money for your videos. In this video, we will cover these 5 sections, so make sure you watch until the end and you will know how to make money from the TikTok. TikTok has a new feature that called Creativity Program, and they pay you $1 per 1,000 views. And you can make $10,000, $20,000 a month posting videos, and even you don't need to show your face. If we compare YouTube Shorts to the TikTok videos, actually TikTok pays you way more than the YouTube. And TikTok already dedicated over $1 billion to its creators for making more long form videos. Actually, most people will not watch this video until the end, but it's good for us, because there will be low competition and we can make much more money from the TikTok. But the 1% who watch the video until the end and implement these tactics, which I will explain you later, so they will be successful for sure. So what are the requirements for getting approved from the TikTok? First, you have to be at least 18 years old and you should have 10,000 followers on your TikTok account and you should have 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Okay, if you have these 3 requirements, then you can apply TikTok Creativity Program. Actually, if you have a 10,000 followers, then it will be easy for you to make 100,000 views in the last 30 days. But if you don't have a 10,000 followers, then I will explain you how to get these followers faster and grow your account to make more money. For making money on the TikTok, your videos should be longer than 1 minute, or it should be 1 minute length, okay? So it could be a 1 minute or 1 minute 5 seconds, 10 seconds, it doesn't matter. Just it should be minimum 1 minute. As I say, TikTok pays you $1 per 1,000 views, but RPMs are different. It depends on the country. For example, you can make 50 cents for the 1,000 views, or you can make $2 per 1,000 views. So it depends on the viewer's location. And every 15th in the month, you will get paid by TikTok. So how to check if you are eligible for the TikTok Creativity Program or not? Just go to your TikTok account, click Profile, and then click Menu button, then Settings, and then click Creator Tools, and you will see Creativity Program Beta. If you see this option, it means you are eligible and you can apply for the Creativity Program. But keep in mind, if you apply for the Creativity Program, then you cannot switch back to the creator funds. I don't know, it will be interesting for you to switch back or not, but I just wanted to inform you. So the next step is choosing niche. Make sure you choose a niche that people love to watch and also a niche that you are passionate, okay? For example, it could be cars or football, or you can post motivational videos. For example, let's say you choose cars, okay? You can get car videos from the internet and edit yourself and post on your videos. But make sure again, it should be over 1 minute length. Or let's say you want to make motivational videos. Just you need to go to YouTube and search motivational videos and you will see many videos in the long form, okay? You will copy any of these, which one you like, and then go to Opus Clip. You will paste your video link and here you will choose your settings, like what kind of captions you want in the middle of the video or at the bottom, and you will choose the video length. Again, it should be over 1 minute, and then you will create clips. So don't worry, you just need to wait. Opus Clip will create the videos for you. You don't need to do anything actually, just you will need to wait. And don't worry, this software is completely free. You don't need to spend any single penny for these videos. And then start posting videos on TikTok. Make sure you post at least 3-5 videos every day on the TikTok. Even you can post same videos couple times, but you can use different text, for example, different music. So you can make it a little bit different and test which one is working better for you. And when you post videos, make sure you make something better every day on your videos. What I mean by that, for example, you can use different captions in your videos, you can use different animations, or you can add sound effects to your videos. So just you will need to make your videos better day by day. And I can say that if you continue posting like this every day and stay consistent, I guarantee you one of your posts will go viral 100%. So let's say you're already posting your videos. Now I will give you tips about growing your account, making your videos viral. So for making your videos viral, you need strong hook. You have actually less than 1 second to grab people's attention and make them watch your videos until the end. When people scroll on the TikTok, they decide actually in less than 1 second they want to watch this video or not. Watching video until the end and engaging with the content is the most important thing for the TikTok algorithm. So what you need to do, you can use these words. First, TikTok will show your video to the people in the For You page. If they skip, if they don't watch your video, then TikTok stop promoting your video, okay? Then you will not get videos and your video will not go viral. And how to keep people in the video, you can use trend musics, related hashtags, and also strong hooks. And then people will love your content and they will engage with you, and TikTok will promote your videos more. And also make your hooks are easy to understand, okay? It should be understandable by everyone. For example, people use manifest tactic for getting more followers, more engagement on their videos. Actually, I think this is the easy way to make followers on the TikTok. For example, they write a sentence on the video and they say, give me 3 notifications to claim it. And people follow, like, or comment or whatever they want. So they just want to claim this. So that's why they are engaging with the content, and TikTok see people engaging with the content and push your videos. So as I said at the beginning, actually you don't need to show your face for making videos. You can use AI to help you find video ideas, creating content, and you can also schedule the posts and you will automate the whole process. So it means it's possible to make passive income from the TikTok creativity program. For example, your niche is dogs, you want to post videos about the dogs on your TikTok account. Just you need to go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. So ChatGPT will generate certain facts for you, and then you will go to another AI software and use this text and turn it to the video. And how you can do it, just go to Google and search turn text to the video AI, and there are many softwares that you can use for free, and you will have many videos as much as you want. Just you will need to post these videos, and then you can create more accounts and you will post more videos. So don't forget, the more videos you post, the more accounts you have, the more chance you have to goes viral. And if your post goes viral, then you can make much more money. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something useful again. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you will not miss my future contents.